Welcome to a world of timeless elegance and rustic charm. In today's video, we're unveiling the cozy sophistication of French country homes, where stone facades meet vintage aesthetics, and every detail tells a story. From warm, inviting interiors to picturesque outdoor spaces, each design captures the heart of Provence. Our journey begins in the living room, an essential space for relaxation and connection. These stunning designs blend rustic stonework with soft, neutral furnishings, creating the perfect harmony of elegance and comfort. Imagine yourself unwinding by a grand stone fireplace or soaking in the sunlight streaming through shuttered windows. Let's take a closer look at these inviting living spaces and set the stage for the rest of this charming home. Step into the heart of every French country home, the kitchen. This is where rustic charm meets modern utility, with exposed stone walls, pastel cabinetry, and vintage copper accents. Picture a large wooden island surrounded by natural light, soft blue shutters framing garden views, and farmhouse sinks inviting you to linger. These kitchens are as much about ambiance as they are about cooking, a place to share stories, laughter, and delicious meals. Each design tells its own tale of countryside living. Let's explore these kitchens and find inspiration for your next culinary haven. Nothing says serenity like a French country bedroom. These cozy retreats combine soft, neutral tones with vintage furnishings to create a tranquil escape. Imagine waking up to the sunlight streaming through tall, shuttered windows, surrounded by floral prints and elegant wrought iron bed frames. Exposed wooden beams and delicate textures add a rustic touch, while pastel accents infuse the space with warmth and personality. These bedrooms are designed to make every morning feel like a breath of fresh countryside air. Let's take a stroll through these dreamy sanctuaries. The exteriors of these homes are nothing short of breathtaking. With their stone facades, shuttered windows, and steep tiled roofs, these architectural designs capture the essence of French countryside living. Aerial views reveal symmetrical layouts surrounded by lush greenery, gravel driveways, and charming courtyards. Each home feels like a slice of history, blending tradition with a sense of understated luxury. The timeless beauty of these structures invites you to imagine what it's like to call them home. Let's explore their stunning exteriors together. Bathrooms in French country homes are designed for relaxation and elegance. Think freestanding clawfoot tubs, antique brass fixtures, and soft pastel accents set against whitewashed stone walls. These tranquil spaces bring an air of vintage charm while offering modern functionality. A small shuttered window lets in warm, natural light, casting a serene glow on every corner. Lavender bouquets and rustic wooden vanities complete the ambiance, making these bathrooms feel like a personal retreat. Let's step into these peaceful spaces and be inspired by their understated luxury. Dining rooms in French country homes are where rustic elegance takes center stage. Picture a long farmhouse table surrounded by upholstered chairs, illuminated by a crystal chandelier hanging from exposed wooden beams. Soft pastel tones, floral arrangements, and vintage dinnerware set the perfect mood for a cozy gathering. Tall, shuttered windows invite the countryside in, making every meal a feast for the senses. These spaces are designed to make entertaining a delight, blending timeless style with warmth and intimacy. Let's pull up a chair and explore these charming dining rooms. French country homes shine brightest in their outdoor spaces. Stone-paved patios with wrought iron furniture invite you to sit back and enjoy the tranquil beauty of the countryside. Imagine a pergola draped in flowering vines, a cobblestone courtyard with a central fountain, or a garden path framed by lavender bushes. These spaces are designed for relaxation and connection, offering a perfect blend of nature and artistry. Whether it's a quiet evening under the stars or a sunny afternoon with friends, these outdoor areas are simply enchanting. Let's wander through these serene settings and find inspiration for your own outdoor oasis.